It says, suppose F decreases to 0.7 and G increases to 0.4. 22.28 says WL increases. Is it true or false? And then 22.29 says expected compensation costs increase because the contract becomes more risky for the agent. Well, 28 is false. WL actually decreases, and let's look at why. Remember, memorize this chart. This chart again says an increase in these variables caused this change to happen to WH and WL. So for a decrease in these variables, if you memorize this chart, it's just the opposite direction. So F decreases. That's going to cause WL to decrease because we see that an increase in F causes WL to increase. And G increases. Well, this is G increasing, so we can just look at the sign and it is negative. So both of those things should have caused WL to decrease, so therefore 28 is false. 29 said expected compensation costs increase because the contract becomes more risky for the agent. Well, this is true because, again, F was the probability that we had success if we worked hard. If that's decreasing at all, it's saying that we have to compensate them even more. WH has to be even higher to convince them to risk working because now they're less likely to make that high wage because they're less likely to have high profit or high success or whatever the signal is. So, since we know that F is decreasing, that's going to cause WH to go up because this was an increase in F will cause WH to go down. So a decrease in F will cause WH to go up. Meanwhile, G increasing is going to cause WH to go up. So both of those are going to cause WH to go up. And again, remember the effect that it has on WH is always going to outweigh the effects that it have on WL. So once we've concluded that both of those things make WH go up, we can conclude that the expected compensation costs increase. So we know that 29 is true.